In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Google Calendar event and access the More Actions menu so you can begin handing it off. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one calendar. This helps avoid editing the wrong event by mistake. Once Google Calendar is open, take a moment to locate the specific event you want to hand off. You can find it in whichever calendar view you normally use, such as day view, week view, or month view. If your calendar is busy, it may help to slow down and double check the event title, time, and date, so you're selecting the correct one. When you found the event, click on it once. This will open the event preview card, where you can quickly review the basic details. From here, look for the pencil icon, which represents the option to edit the event. Go ahead and click that pencil icon to open the full event editor. Inside the editing screen, you'll see the event's detailed settings and information. This is the main area where changes can be made, so it's a good place to pause and confirm you're working on the correct calendar item before moving forward. If the event includes guests, notes, or a specific meeting time, reviewing those details now can help prevent accidental changes later. Next, move your attention to the top toolbar area of the event editor. There, look for the More Actions drop-down menu. This menu contains additional options related to the event that aren't shown in the main editing fields. Click on More Actions to open that dropdown. At this point, you've successfully reached the area needed to continue the handoff process. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure your browser window is fully expanded, since some toolbar items can be less obvious on smaller screens. It's also helpful to wait a moment for the page to fully load if the calendar is responding slowly. And that's it for this part of the process. You've opened Google Calendar in Chrome, selected the correct event, entered the edit screen, and accessed the More Actions menu in the top toolbar. From here, you're ready to continue with the next part of the event handoff workflow.